I'm going to calibrate the gap on a Mazak type sensor cone. The first step is going to be to bring the nozzle down until it touches the material. We do that by being in handle, z-axis times 100. We're going to handle down negative until we get close. Once we're close, we switch over to times 10. Lower it down. Watch the coordinate, z-axis, and when the nozzle tip is touching the material, we're going to get an auto gap alarm. Auto gap alarm. I'm going to move it up one click, push reset. One click, reset. I keep moving it up until I can reset the alarm. Now I'm going to go to position. You want to be in relative, OPRT, origin, all execute. So with our z-axis at 0, the nozzle tip is touching the material. Our next step, for the Mazak type sensor, there's a program. Go to program, 9988, new tracer calibration. It tells us we want to start with the nozzle to work at positive 0.1 millimeters, and that's from the material. So in handle, with the z-axis at times 100, we're going to bring the z-axis up to 0.1. And then we can run this program. Go to auto and cycle start. So as it's running through this program, the torch is moving to different positions and calibrating itself. Okay, program's done. So the next step is going to bring the torch back down until it touches the material. Handle, z-axis times 100. We should still have it set so that when the z-axis is at 0, it's touching the material. So when I get close, I'm going to start going real slow. At 0 we should be good, and at negative 0.1 we should have the alarm. Okay, I'm going to bring it back up to 0. Hit reset. Now I'm going to go to offset settings. Hit set again. Trace. The Z deflection. Okay, so we got an auto gap alarm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it up a little bit higher. And the Z-axis times 10. I'm going to bring it up 0.01. Press reset. I'm going to go ahead and zero it out there. So I do that by going to position, relative, OPRT, origin, all execute. Okay, so now, in handle, z-axis times 100. So, okay, let's go back to our offset screen. The z-axis deflection needs to be 0. So we're already at 0, but if it's not, say 0, input. Move the z-axis in times 100 up to 1 millimeter. That's also 40 thousandths. Here you're going to hit 0. Raise it up to 1.4 millimeters. That's going to be 0.56 inches. 56,000. Start. 1.6. End. Now we can go to handle, z-axis times 100. Raise the z-axis up. We're going to test it. So go to program, MDI, type in M32, ELB, insert, and we're going to do a G4X20 point in the block, insert. And down here at cycle start, here we are, we're profiling. The z-axis is at about 1 millimeter.